Quick vegetable salad recipe. Welcome to our Healthy Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips and suggestions how to live a healthier and a happier life using natural methods and remedies. Vegetable salads are a source of vitamins and minerals. But besides this, these salads are delicious and varied. Vegetable salads are simply essential for lack of vitamins and a bad mood. Fresh vegetable salads contain a relatively large amount of fiber, which is known to help cleanse the body. Here are the ingredients to make vegetable salad. 1 can, 16 ounces, whole kernel corn drained. 1 large tomato, seeded and chopped. 1/2 cup chopped celery. 1/2 cup chopped cucumber. 1/3 cup finely chopped green pepper. 1/4 cup finely chopped onion. 1/4 cup sour cream. 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon cider vinegar. 1/4 teaspoon salt, it's optional. 1/4 teaspoon celery seed, and 1/8 teaspoon pepper. Here are the ingredients to make vegetable salad. 1 can, 16 ounces, whole kernel corn drained. 1 large tomato, seeded and chopped. 1/2 cup chopped celery. 1/2 cup chopped cucumber. 1/3 cup finely chopped green pepper. 1/4 cup finely chopped onion. Watch our other healthy lifestyle videos below and find out 9 common bad effects of sugar to your health. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website healthylifestyle.com for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about health and wellness. Choose your date in the description below. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.